Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make for you some bougie blueberry pancakes. So let's get straight into it, guys. We've got our ingredients list on screen, so let's get started. First we're going to kick it off by preparing our flour. So we're going to put in some salt on one side and some baking powder on the other side. And then we're going to mix it all up together so it's fully combined. So guys, you're probably thinking, why pancakes? Well, me and my sister used to watch this 90s show called Sabrina the Teenage Witch, and I guess it all started from there. Just to binge watch it. They did a whole episode on pancakes. They look so good, I just had to learn how to make them. So anyway, back to the cooking. I've put in the eggs and we're going to whisk them for around 5 to 6 minutes. Then we're going to add our vanilla, and we're just going to make this nice and aerated with lots of bubbles, and this is what's going to make our pancakes nice and fluffy. Now it's time to make them sweet. So in goes the sugar, and as you can see the texture slightly thickening up. Then we're going to hit it with our 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use melted butter, entirely up to you, but I just want to show you a close-up of the texture. It's going nice and ribbony. Then we're going to go in with our milk. Bing bang bosh. I don't know why I've got it in a shot glass. We're going to add in our flour. Then we're going to detach the bowl and we're going to fold the mixture in carefully. The aim is to keep our mixture as airy as possible. And also another top tip is to use a steel spoon. It helps to keep our mixture lovely and aerated. Now don't worry about the lumps, guys. These are actually great for air pockets whilst they're cooking. All we need to do is add in our blueberries. For those of you who are gluten-free, all you need to do is swap out the self-raising flour for gluten-free flour. And for those of you who are vegan, all you need to do is swap the milk for either soy milk, oat milk, whatever you like, and use chickpea flour and water in place of eggs. I'm going to put both recipes in my description down below. Time to do a little pancake dance and we're ready to go. I've got some strawberries for decoration purposes later. So we want to get some butter in the pan. You can use oil if you prefer, but I prefer butter. Cook on a low to medium heat. We want them to crispen up, but we don't want to burn them. I'm going to drop into the pan around a cup's worth of mixture. Now this recipe caters for around 12 small pancakes or 6 big ones. It's entirely up to you. We want to cook these until we see bubbles forming on the top. Adding a few more blueberries. If you're using frozen fruits, it's best to add before you flip them. Try not to add them to your batter because the colour runs. So for those of you who don't like fruit, you can make chocolate chip pancakes. All you need to do is add chocolate chips in place of the blueberry. You could even make plain pancakes and just add some hazelnut spread, a few chopped nuts, bananas. The thing about pancakes is you can make them for breakfast, you can make them for lunch, you can make them for dinner, or is that just me? So I'm just going to make a few more into the pan, and we're just going to pat them down a bit, and there's a close-up. These are looking quite fluffy. And we have our stack of pancakes. Now what we want to do is we want to give it a dusting of icing sugar. And then we're going to decorate our plate with some strawberries and hey presto. There's one thing missing. A nice drizzle of maple syrup. If you don't like maple syrup, then give honey a try. That makes a lovely alternative. Let's just tuck into these bad boys. Well, there you have it, guys. Another recipe done. Let me know down below in the comments what you thought. If you'd like notifications of my upcoming videos, press subscribe and hit the bell notification button. So for now, guys, see you later. I'll catch you on my next one.